you rest your hand on it, clutch plates will start to open and they'll wear out quicker. The engine can just run.
Now, when I'm riding, my hands are bent, yeah, my wrist, all the pressure's on that part of my wrist.
Causing death by careless driving. Jake Hamlets failed to stop. He didn't give evidence in court but told police in interviews he freaked out and drove his hysterical girlfriend home before dumping the Mini Cooper car.
And it was a moment's stupidity. And it was
just a split second, just going to end your life. He must have just slipped, lost control, crashed into the bullock, completely brain dead. They had to take him off his machines and it.
The video is showing that how people that don't know how to drive, it's a privilege for us to have driving lessons in the future, because some people, they didn't drive properly, and there was an incident where one of the people that worked here, their son got hit by a car and he was a soldier, and he's only like 20 years old, so like early adult, and he got hit and died. Our bike course is going good and we've repaired the bikes and tomorrow we're going to ride them.
I think it's really good and it's a good way to keep us out of trouble.
Just the bikes, learning new things and meeting new people.
It was a bit mad still because like someone's child died from someone being stupid, and it's going to teach us how to be smart on the roads and about London.
Brilliant. So do you recommend this to anyone?
Yeah, people 100%. Our age, 110%. It helps a lot.
Yeah, recommend it, yeah?
Definitely.
Thumbs up. So you're looking forward to tomorrow?
110%.
All right, so what's tomorrow all about then?
Riding the bikes.
We're going to a track in Essex.
Been out on the dirt bikes today in the forest and stuff. It's really cool.
It's been an amazing experience, and I've learned how to ride a motorbike for the first time, and if it weren't for today I probably wouldn't have even been able to drive. I have fell off a couple of times, but that's how you get better at things, and they've brought us here today to show us how to keep a bike safe on and off of the road. They're not just coming here to ride bikes, they're teaching us how to maintain bikes for the first 2 days, because if they did that on the first day, then people wouldn't come, so that we've had to maintain them for the first 2 days. And then we've come here and rid bikes, but it's been amazing. I want more days like this. We need more days like this, because there's too many young people losing lives on bikes, and if they come here, they'll learn how to drive them properly, maintain them properly, and it'll make it a good experience for them.